The all-new 2027 Honda Ridgeline is coming, and it's finally delivering what truck buyers have been demanding for years: aggressive looks, serious off-road capability, and a groundbreaking hybrid powertrain. If you've ever wanted to own a Ridgeline but couldn't get past its soft, car-like appearance or worried about gas mileage eating into your paycheck, this next generation solves both problems in one shot. Honda's new Ridgeline proves you can have a legitimate off-roader that saves you over 30% at the pump at the same time. Let's check it out. As rugged as it should be. Something's been missing from the Ridgeline equation since 2017. While the truck delivered comfort, utility, and smart engineering that no competitor could match, it never quite looked the part. Pull up to a job site or meet fellow truck owners at the trailhead and you could see the skeptical looks. That's about to change with the next generation. The upcoming Ridgeline is following the same design direction that made the new Passport such a hit among off-road enthusiasts. Gone are the softer lines and suburban-friendly styling cues that made some buyers question whether this was really a truck at all. What's coming instead? A bold, aggressive front fascia that borrows heavily from the Passport's muscular appearance. Redesigned LED headlights look sharper and more purposeful, while the grille is getting reworked to project strength rather than refinement. The front bumper takes on a notably more rugged character with design elements that suggest this truck means business when pavement ends. Around back, the current generation's vertical taillights are making way for a horizontal arrangement, creating a wider, more planted stance. The redesigned rear bumper features wide exhaust tips integrated into black plastic molding, giving the Ridgeline a performance-oriented look that previous generations never attempted. All these design upgrades look impressive, but they mean nothing without the powertrain to back them up, and that's where Honda is making its boldest move yet. Brand new hybrid powertrain. Picture this. You're towing a boat up a steep grade, and instead of feeling the engine strain and hearing it roar, you get smooth, effortless power that makes the climb feel easy. That's the promise of electrification, and Honda is developing an entirely new powertrain specifically for its larger North American models, and the Ridgeline is going to be among the first vehicles to receive it. The foundation of this new system is a V6 engine paired with up to 3 electric motors. That third motor? It's dedicated to feeding power to the rear axle on all-wheel drive configurations, creating a sophisticated electrified drivetrain that delivers traction exactly where and when you need it most. Honda is targeting some ambitious numbers with this new setup. The company expects to achieve fuel economy improvements of over 30% compared to current gas-only models. For anyone making the daily commute or running between job sites, that translates to significantly fewer stops at the pump and real money staying in your pocket. But here's the part that's going to surprise people. Honda also anticipates acceleration improvements exceeding 10%. The hybrid Ridgeline isn't going to sacrifice performance for efficiency, it's delivering both. The engineering behind these gains comes down to making both the gasoline engine and electric motors more efficient individually, then combining them strategically. The battery assist provides instant low-end torque that eliminates the lag you feel in traditional engines, making merging onto highways and passing slower traffic notably more confident. Base models are about to stick with the familiar V6 that currently powers the Ridgeline, Pilot, and Passport. This 3.5-liter engine puts out 285 horsepower and will pair with a 10-speed automatic transmission. It's a proven powertrain that delivers smooth, reliable performance for buyers who prefer traditional setups. The hybrid system represents Honda's first serious push into electrifying its truck lineup. The automaker has announced plans to launch 13 new hybrid models worldwide over 4 years starting in 2027, and the Ridgeline's new powertrain is going to play a central role in that strategy. But impressive power and efficiency are only half the equation. Drivers spend hours behind the wheel, and that's where the completely redesigned interior becomes critical. New cabin. The Ridgeline is receiving a complete interior overhaul that brings it in line with Honda's latest design language. Finer materials are making their way throughout the cabin, replacing some of the harder plastics that characterized previous generations. The aesthetics are becoming more attractive and modern, with a design approach that balances functionality with style while maintaining the durability truck buyers expect. Technology is getting a major boost with the adoption of systems from the new Pilot and Passport. That massive central touchscreen provides access to all vehicle functions, while the digital gauge cluster offers customizable displays that put critical information exactly where drivers need it. Wireless smartphone integration is standard, along with upgraded audio systems and connectivity features. The seating gets redesigned for better support and comfort, with available premium materials that elevate the experience. Long drives to distant job sites or weekend getaways become notably less fatiguing when seats are properly designed. designed. Honda is also adding more storage solutions throughout the cabin for gear, tools, and everyday items. The layout maximizes practicality while maintaining the comfortable, car-like driving position that's always been a Ridgeline trademark, so the cabin delivers comfort and technology that rivals premium SUVs. But if you think that's impressive, wait until you see how Honda is transforming this truck's off-road capability. Much-needed off-road improvement. The current Trail Sport trim proved Honda could build a capable off-roader, but the next generation is taking things several steps further. The 2027 Ridgeline Trail Sport is about to receive upgrades that transform it into a legitimate backcountry contender. There's nothing worse than committing to a trail only to scrape your front bumper on the first hill or bottom out on a rock you thought you could clear. Ground clearance is increasing significantly, giving the truck better ability to clear obstacles and tackle challenging terrain. Approach and departure angles are being improved through revised front and rear fascia designs, allowing the Ridgeline to climb steeper inclines and descend sharper drops without scraping. The drivetrain is getting a comprehensive upgrade with the new IVT M4 all-wheel drive system that recently debuted in the Passport. When one wheel starts spinning in mud or loose gravel, every second counts. It delivers quicker, more precise torque vectoring that actively manages power distribution to individual wheels, resulting in better traction in challenging conditions and more confident handling when trails get technical. Suspension tuning is being optimized specifically for off-road use, with components designed to handle the abuse of rock crawling, deep sand, and everything in between. Steel skid plates are being upgraded and expanded to protect critical underbody components. All-terrain tires come standard on Trail Sport models, mounted on wheels designed to handle serious off-road adventures. The Trail Watch camera system is making its debut, giving drivers 4 exterior camera views that make navigating tight trails and rock gardens significantly easier. Unique aesthetics set the Trail Sport apart from standard models. Aggressive wheel flares accommodate wider tires, while exclusive badging and color-matched components signal this truck's enhanced capability. Recovery points are being integrated into the design, providing secure attachment points for tow straps and winches when situations get serious. With all these upgrades across design, powertrain, interior, and capability, the big question becomes whether Honda can deliver all of this without pricing the Ridgeline out of reach. Pricing and release date. Production of the all-new 2027 Honda Ridgeline is scheduled to begin later this year, with vehicles arriving at dealerships in summer. This timing positions the truck to capitalize on peak buying season while getting ahead of competitors. Price increases are coming, but Honda is committed to keeping them reasonable. The current Ridgeline starts around $42,000, and the new generation is expected to begin somewhere in the mid-40s range. That represents a modest bump that accounts for the significant upgrades without pricing the truck out of reach for its target buyers. The hybrid powertrain is going to command a premium, likely adding several $1,000s to the base price. However, the fuel savings and performance improvements that come with electrification should help justify the additional cost for buyers who plan to keep their trucks for the long term. Trail Sport models will occupy the top of the price range, potentially approaching $50,000 when fully equipped. But the enhanced off-road capability and exclusive features make it a compelling package for enthusiasts. The 2027 Honda Ridgeline represents everything this truck should have been from the start. With Passport-inspired rugged styling that finally commands respect, a groundbreaking hybrid V6 delivering 30% better fuel economy without sacrificing performance, a completely redesigned cabin that rivals premium SUVs, and Trail Sport upgrades that transform it into a legitimate off-road contender, Honda is positioning this truck to finally break through in a segment it's struggled to dominate. Summer arrival timing puts it on dealer lots exactly when truck demand peaks, and with pricing expected to start in the mid-40s range, the Ridgeline is delivering serious value for everything it brings to the table. For buyers who've been waiting for Honda to get serious about building a real truck, that wait is almost over. Still, the 2027 Ridgeline isn't the only midsize truck that's getting important updates for the next year. Check out our next video and find out more about genius changes the GMC Canyon has just received. New features, improved off-road performance, and other updates make it even more competitive than before.